Okay, here's a Rheem in Stillwater, Oklahoma. That's just a laundry room. This is at an apartment complex. From April of 2016. I don't know why I was thinking February. 5-ton. And it's a 14th here. Compressor is a straight cool unit. So yeah, and the line set runs up there. Alright. Okay, this is the same place where I just filmed that Rheem. I don't know if I'll combine these or not. These are two Goodmans. That's a 2.5-ton from 2009. That's a 1.5-ton from 2000. It's a 1.5-ton from 2014. Alright, over and out.